Oh, it is not coming easily. I don't know why. Ah, come. Oh, ouch. Very easy to pick. No need scissor really. Just in the joint, press. Ouch. Drop. Come on, man. Look at that, guys. Have watch. Let me pick more. This corner is finished. I have to pick more. Ouch! Come here. Now, let me pick from this side. Ouch! That goes. Ouch! Look in the joint. Ouch! Look how big. Look at that, guys. Maybe 2 kg. Even maybe more. Let me pick from there. Hiding behind the rose tree. Ouch, rose spike on me. Ooh. Ouch, careful. I have to be careful. Ouch. Ah, drop. Maybe this is enough, guys.